Step into the 2007 Chevrolet Colorado. With fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle glistens in the crowded pickup truck segment. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 5-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and a split folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.